Hello, welcome to a video on a Rosewill MicroATX case. Rosewill is a brand under Newegg, and they specialize in computer peripherals. And recently, I think they also went into small home appliances. Okay, so this case is pretty small. It's black and black, piano finish in the front. There's no labeling at all, which is very interesting. I actually like it. And large power buttons, reset button. Hard to press, but there's a reset button here. And two USB 2.0 ports. I know there's no 3.0, but there is, 2.0 ports here. Microphone and headphone jack. And two large 5.25 external bays for stuff like CD-ROMs, DVD-ROMs, and a 3.5 external bay. This used to be people put floppy drives in here, but nowadays I think most people would put a multimedia card reader that will read different formats on here. So then on the back, so actually let's go to the side. There is a large ventilation. There's no fans on the side, but there is a fan on the back. And later, also I'll show you a fan in the front. But in the back, there is a large hole for power supply. The power supply is sitting on top of the case. There are cases where the power supply is on the bottom, but in this case, it will be on top. One of the disadvantages of on top is that if you have a really hot video card, the hot air will actually damage the power supply. However, in this case, I'm not going to put a very high demanding video card in this case, so it shouldn't be an issue. Also, there's a fan, a 80mm fan, and 4 expansion slots for your expansion cards. This is the back port I/O. You put a custom I/O shield based on your motherboard layout. Also, it comes with thumb screws for easy disassemble. So let me just go ahead and open this. Now, coming into the inside of the case, you can see that it has additional 2 3.5 drive bays. This is for your hard drive. And in the front, there is a large 120mm Rosewill fan. This fan is really nice. It's quiet because it's large. 120mm, they don't spin very fast. And they do produce enough air intake so that your CPU, video card, and your power supply can get enough adequate fresh air. Other than that, I think there is some front panel I/O ports. This one is USB. This one is HD audio. And this one is the legacy so-called AC97 audio. And there are some LED and power switch as well. That's it actually, and this one is for the 120mm fan power. There isn't any much else that comes with the case. There is a bag of screws that has a PC speaker inside, so you would plug this into your motherboard. Also, there's not much in a way of cable management. You can't take the case, this side panel off as well, the right side panel. So let me just do that. So as you can see, there is really no place for you to organize the cables on the back here. There is a hole here which you might be able to do something, but In the next video, I'm gonna build a computer with this case, so we'll try and see what we can do with the cable management. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, this is the Rosewill MicroATX case. I'll have the links below in the video where you can buy it on Amazon or Newegg. And yeah, enjoy.